Welcome back to the channel The Car Vibe. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most thrilling and emotionally charged supercars Ferrari has ever created, the 812 GTB, also known as the 812 Superfast. This isn't just another high-performance machine, it's a celebration of raw, unfiltered power. At the heart of the 812 lies a massive 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces a staggering 789 horsepower and 530 lb-ft of torque. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and roars on to a top speed of over 210 miles per hour. But the numbers only tell part of the story. What makes the 812 truly special is how it feels. The sound of the V12 at full tilt is nothing short of symphonic, revving past 8,500 RPM with a scream that no turbocharged or electric vehicle can replicate. Ferrari has loaded the 812 with cutting-edge tech like rear-wheel steering, side-slip control, and a lightning-fast dual-clutch gearbox, making it surprisingly agile for a front-engine grand tourer. The design is as dramatic as its performance: a long, sculpted hood, aerodynamic curves, and aggressive lines that combine beauty with function. Inside, it's all about the driver. Leather, carbon fiber, and digital interfaces create a cockpit that's both luxurious and purposeful. But what truly sets the 812 apart is its soul. In a world shifting toward hybrid and electric power, this might be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris ever made. It's not just a car, it's a statement. If you love driving in its purest form, the 812 GTB is an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Car Vibe.